Another Day, Another Learning by Xavier Production. Python. Fueling the AI Revolution Language, Uses, and Future Impact. Python is a high-level programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes clean and concise code syntax, making it popular among both beginners and experienced programmers. Uses of Python. 1. Web development. Python is used for building websites and web applications using frameworks like Django and Flask. 2. Data analysis and visualization. Libraries like pandas and matplotlib enable data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. 3. Scientific computing. Python is widely used in scientific research, simulations, and modeling. 4. Machine learning and AI. Python offers extensive libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch for developing AI and machine learning models. 5. Automation and scripting. Python is commonly used for automating tasks and scripting. 6. Game development. Python can be employed to create games using libraries like Pygame. 7. Internet of Things, IoT. Python's lightweight nature makes it suitable for IoT device programming. Future and impact on AI. Python's future is bright, especially in the context of artificial intelligence, AI. Its simplicity, along with its strong support for AI libraries and frameworks, positions Python as a primary language for AI development. The following factors contribute to Python's impact on AI. 1. AI libraries and frameworks. Python boasts popular libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, and Keras, which simplify the creation and training of AI models. 2. Community and resources. Python has a vast and active community that continually develops and improves AI-related libraries, tools, and resources. 3. Accessibility. Python's easy syntax and wide-ranging support make it accessible to developers from various backgrounds, accelerating AI adoption. 4. Rapid prototyping. Python's simplicity and readability enable quick development and experimentation, crucial in the iterative nature of AI model building. 5. Integration. Python can be integrated with other languages, enabling the use of specialized libraries and tools when needed. 6. AI research and education. Python is widely used in AI research and educational institutions, contributing to the advancement and dissemination of AI knowledge. 7. Industry adoption. Many industries are leveraging AI for various applications, from healthcare and finance to autonomous vehicles. Python's AI capabilities position it at the forefront of these developments. In summary, Python's user-friendly nature, extensive libraries, and adaptability have positioned it as a language with a significant impact on AI. As the field of AI continues to expand, Python is likely to remain a dominant force in AI development, research, and application. Thanks for watching. Xavier Production. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.